bed now. Sweet dreams, my dear. Your longest travel. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, Grandma, you didn't go tell me a story. Oh yeah. A story. Hey guys. Guys, do you all want to hear a story around it? Yes, please. We really want to hear it. Agreed. Already. One or two. Okay, so here's my story. Once upon a time, I'm Webby's Trample Roloff was born. So, it was almost Grandma was such a great cooker. He gave us everything. We would go for some food. Whoa! Yeah! He even just flips when he derails. Wait. You derailed while you... Wait. So you were the one who teach Grandma how to derail? Grandma teach you? Yeah! So, let's be just train below. Here you go. I hope you had your nice food. Your food is so yummy. Biggest train below look different. It was the exact opposite. Face was red and his bottom was blue. So wasn't me, but I'm still the same. So, anyway. When he was like somewhere at 80 to 85, she passed away. Sadly. But why? When she was going to derail and buy some stuff from the market, when he tries to trip over. And when he tries to trip over, he can get some accidents. He can get some broken bones. He can also die too. But when he made it to Walmart, he didn't manage to get some food. He tripped over and passed away peacefully. How is that impossible? Well, they can get injured, or maybe because of the viruses on the floor. But there wasn't any coronavirus at all. Not even a single bit. So what was it then? Virus or bacteria? Anything it was might affect Grandma. But I still remember Grandma. He got put to me as my graveyard. Oh, it's lovely. Oh. Now dead. He's now dead. I know. Not only he'll also die when he gets old too. You know what I mean, right? Why? I miss him now.
Daddy, it's blue.
Me too, but I also miss him. We all miss him a lot. Until later on in the graveyard, he got a stroke different than usual. His face is all black and reddish. He was flying, getting out of me. Whoa, wait, if he's getting out, then, why was he flying to? And, what? No, things do change. But he was much stronger. And he turned into an adult. But for some reason, he wasn't an adult, actually. Or a grandma, or maybe, or kid. But was he that? Ghost. Oh, ghost, no way. Yes, way. He did. What? Yeah? I'm correct, then. I want to tell you two things about them. So first up, he looked so cool, like he was so long and better than usual. Can you blame it? And number two, you might want to watch out about it, but what? Nothing to do with scary sensitive, what? ghost? Dum 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 dum. Wait. There is no ghost. And plus, I'm not a ghost. Why don't you say that I am a ghost? You actually right this time. Again. Oh, this is getting worse and worse. How long? No, what is happening now? Don't panic. A ghost, if it's this ghost, is friendly. Don't panic if you see him, okay? So, sweet dreams, everyone. Sweet dreams, but why am I a ghost? I am not a ghost, okay? But who cares? You are a... But who cares? You are a ghost. Jumping boost. You can now do the jumping boost now? Yeah. Now you see his brain's getting better. Night. What is happening? It just got off out of nowhere. Like nowhere. Oh no! He's getting ghostly again! Run, everyone! Run! 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 Escape! Run! Huh? It's not me, okay? It's not me. Hello? Oh, it's not me. I swear it's not me. It's not me. I wonder where they are. Huh? Ouch! Who's that? Wait, is that me? And you're making those spooky sounds? And you get derailed just like me? Uh-oh. And you got disappeared too? I found the ghost! Run! Ghost! You know I can shine brightly. Okay. Run! Yeah. I think we lost him. Guys! Ghost! Coming! Run! No! Guys! Stop! I have something to say. Well, I found the ghost. Yeah, we know you're the ghost. No! I found the ghost. Okay? Found it. You found the ghost? Leaving me? Yep, I found it. Wait. If you're making this spooky sound, then who is the ghost? he is the ghost. And he slapped me on the face. What? Why slap you on the face? Come back. He's a very mean ghost. You were wrong. He wasn't friendly. She was, it's a girl, okay? You were wrong. You all wrong. It wasn't me after all. It was him. He slapped me on the face with no arms. And he didn't say he had arms. Arms. Huh? All Jake don't have arms. But what about this one? What about this one? Why this one? I don't know. I don't know what to say that. Oops. Quick, he's slapping on. He's slapping your button. Huh? Ow! How dare you? Yeah. Not so speedy one like me. I think I'm going to faint. So, okay, but what is... Okay, well, he's very friendly. We must attack him! Yeah! Attack! 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 Go! It's time to attack. It's time to attack. It's time to attack a one-off ghost. Which is coming right at us and snapping at our bottoms and faces. Let's hope it's not. And let's hope this is not a race. We have to stop it right now. Ow. And if so, then he will go very low. Time to defeat the boss. Then he will, and his heart will lost. Time to defeat this ghost. And then his heart will be lost. And now it's time to stop and run away. Yeah. Wait. Okay. Well, that was a bit embarrassing, but you know. I'm back to fight Cart, and he only has one, and you... What? Okay, never mind. And luckily we defeat the boss. Yeah, and I have to go on ride tomorrow with you. Why, sure, I would love to. Alright. Alright, the lighthouse going on. Hooray! Okay, that's my daily video. Day 40. Oh yeah, it's day 40, and that was the Coronavirus Daily.
Next up's mine.
To see if you can.